Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly check your PC specifications like RAM, processor, and Windows version. Let's get started. Method 1. Using settings. The easiest way is through the Settings app. 1. Click the Start menu Settings. 2. Go to System About. 3. Here, under Device Specifications, you'll see your processor and installed RAM. 4. And under Windows Specifications, you'll find your edition and version of Windows. Method 2. Using System Information. You can also check using System Information. 1. Press Windows key plus or to open Run. 2. Type Info32 and press Enter. 3. This opens the System Information window where you can see detailed info about your PC's hardware and software. Method 3. Using this PC properties. Another quick method. Right-click on this PC on your desktop or File Explorer. Click Properties. This will also show your RAM, processor, and Windows edition. Bonus tip. Here's a bonus tip. If you want to check your graphics card, press Windows plus R, type DXDiag, and open the DirectX Diagnostic tool. Under the Display tab, you'll see your GPU details. And that's it. Now you know 3 easy ways to check your PC specifications. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe for more quick tech tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Do you want me to also prepare a 1-minute YouTube Shorts version for quick tutorials?